Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. Now for this you can go to Xbox app and then select the game, click on these three dots, click on manage, or you can make a right click on the game and then click on manage, and then go to files, click on browse, open the game folder, content folder, and over here you can see game launcher, game launch helper. You can make a double click and then launch the game from here and then check. Still not working. The next step is to rename the config folder. When you rename the config folder, all the saved settings will be lost. Now for this you can go to File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder. Now open app data. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, then open app data folder, open the local folder. Now over here find the game folder, Little Nightmares 3 folder, saved folder, config folder. So here you can see the config folder, make a right click and then you can rename this, and once you rename it, now you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run gaming services repair tool. Now for this you can go to Xbox app, click on your profile icon and then go to support option and then click on gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, let the repair complete. The repair will take some time. Now once done you can close this and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. You can run gaming services repair tool from the website. So you can type in gaming services repair tool in Google search and then you can go to Microsoft website which says gaming services repair tool for PC. On this page you will see the downloadable version, click on it and then scroll down, click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and let the repair complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done you will see completed successfully, and once you see completed successfully then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for Nvidia. So select your graphic card and then select your operating system, then click on find. Now on this page you will see the latest graphic card driver, whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You can click on view and then you can click on download and then run this exe file once the download is complete. Once you run the exe file, now you have to click on yes to allow and then click on OK and then click on agree and continue and then select custom option. Over here you will see the custom option. Select custom and then select next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. After the clean installation is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this type in graphics settings in Windows search box, click on graphics settings and then click on add Microsoft Store app. Click over here and then find the game in the list. Once you find the game, over here you can see the game, click on the game, and once the game is added, scroll down and find the game in the list. Once you find the game, click on it and then select high performance. You will see your graphic card over here and then you can launch the game and then check. Next step is to roll back graphics card driver. So if the latest graphic card driver is not working, you can once you select your graphic card and your operating system, on this page you can click on view more version and you can try installing the older one. And when you roll back the graphics driver, make sure that you put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Intel driver and support assistant. For this you can type in Intel driver and support assistant in Windows in Google search, and then you can go to Intel website and then you can click on download and then you can run this exe file. In my case it is already installed. Once installed you can launch let me launch it. In my case, it is already installed, so you can launch Intel driver and support assistant. And once you launch it, it will scan your computer. And if there is any update, you will see download option and then install option. So you can install it. And once that is complete, you have to restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. So it may take some time to scan. And then if there is any update, it will let you know. And then you have to click on download, install, and then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to restore Nvidia settings in Nvidia control panel. So go to desktop, make a right click on the desktop, click on show more option, and then click on Nvidia control panel. And then go to manage 3D settings, go to global settings, click on restore, click on yes. At the bottom right, you will see the apply option, hit apply, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, try debug mode in Nvidia control panel, go to help option, and then put a check on debug mode. Once the debug mode is checked, now you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to try PowerShell mode. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, and then go to hardware and sound, and then go to power options. Over here you will see PowerShell mode. So in my case, I have only balance. So but if you see PowerShell, you can select PowerShell, relaunch the game, and then check. Now you can even go for balanced and high performance, but first of all try PowerShell and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to disable or enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, and then click on graphics settings over here. Now click on advanced graphics settings. If hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, if this is off, turn it on, relaunch the game and then check. If it is already on, turn it off and then relaunch the game and then check. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, download this x64 and x64, both the file. So click on it and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Download this x64 file as well, and then run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, and let the installation complete. Make sure both are installed. Once both are installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Lower down monitor refresh rate from 240 to 120 or 60 Hz. This is just an example. If your monitor refresh rate is 240 Hz, you can try maybe 120 or 60 Hz. You can even open Windows settings, go to system, go to display, and then scroll down, click on advanced display, and over here you can select 60 Hz over here and then relaunch the game and then check. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. To increase the virtual memory, type in view advanced system settings in Windows search box and then click on view advanced system settings over here, and then under advanced click on settings, the first setting, and then click on advanced tab and then click on change over here. You have to uncheck the box and then you have to select the drive where the game is installed. Make sure that you select the drive where the game is installed, and then select custom size. And for initial size is 1.5 multiplied total RAM, for maximum is 3 multiplied total RAM. So you can check total RAM in Windows settings, go to system, and then go to about option. And over here you can see in my case it's 16 GB, so you have to calculate as per your RAM. And if you face any problem, we can always revert back to the settings, so do not worry about it. So in my case it's 16 GB multiplied 1024, that is total RAM in megabyte. For initial size it's 1.5 multiplied 1.5, that is 24576. For maximum size it's total RAM, that is 16 multiplied 1024, in my case 16384 megabyte, then 3 times multiplied 3, that is for maximum size it's 49152 in my case. And then you have to click on set. Set is important. Make sure that it hits set and then click on OK, and then OK. Now relaunch the game and then check. If that does not work, then type in view advanced system settings again, and then click on view advanced system settings, go to settings over here, click on change advanced tab and then click on change, and then select system manage size this time, and then click on set. Set is important. Click on OK. Click on OK over here, hit apply, click on OK. You will see restart option, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, we will revert to default, so you can type in view advanced system settings once again, settings, advanced change, and put a check on this box, and then hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now the next step is to verify or repair the game files. Now for this you can go to Xbox app, click on these three dots, manage, and then go to files and then click on verify and repair, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. This will take some time, and once the repair is done, relaunch the game and then check. Still not working, create desktop shortcut and launch the game using the desktop shortcut. Now for this you can go to Xbox app, once again manage, and then go to general and then click on create desktop shortcut. Once the shortcut is created, you can just make a right click, and or you can just make a double click over here and try to launch the game using the shortcut. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset the game. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to apps, go to install apps or apps and features, and then find the game over here. Scroll down. Yeah, once you find the game, click on these three dots and then go to advanced option. Scroll down. First of all, click on terminate and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, perform reset. And after the reset, you have to relaunch Xbox app. So if Xbox app is running, you can quit Xbox app and then relaunch Xbox app, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Now you should be able to see the game now, and then you can launch the game once again from here. Still not working. The next step is to unplug all the external devices which you are not using. So if you have like any kind of USB adapter, external keyboard or mouse like Keychron keyboard, Razer Huntsman keyboard or mouse connected, external mouse, you can disconnect it. If you have HOTAS, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected, or sometimes we have extra controller connected, disconnect extra controller, disconnect multiple monitor, try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party application or services running, you can close it. Close all the overlay application. Like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. If you have Nvidia app running, go to Nvidia app settings, and then you can turn off this Nvidia overlay over here. If this is on, turn it off, and then close Nvidia app, close all the overlay application, and then check. First, do not overclock. If you have overclocked your computer, set it to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI, Afterburner, Reva Tuner. If you have any kind of online storage device like Google Drive, OneDrive, you can close it. Perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box, click on system configuration. Go to the services tab, put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services first, and then click on, make sure that you put a check over here first, and then click on disable all, hit apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. If you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to update the system BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number and update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the BIOS. Next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Store. At the bottom left, you will see download option. You can go to download and then click on check for update, and you click on update all. So update everything. Once everything is updated over here, now you can relaunch the game and then check. Next step is to update Windows. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows update or update and security, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you open PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is done, you will see everything red. Once that is done, you can relaunch Xbox app and then relaunch the game. Next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider. Now for this, you can go to Microsoft website, and the link is provided in the video description. Click on download, then click on open Microsoft Store. If Xbox Identity Provider is not installed, you will see install button or get option or maybe update option. You can do that and then check. Still not working, uninstall and reinstall gaming services. To uninstall gaming services, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run this as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, and then hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, copy the second command and then paste it over here, and then hit the enter key. So let me copy this, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will open store, and then you will see install option over here. So you might say install but option, or maybe get option. So install gaming services. Once the installation is 100% complete, you have to relaunch Xbox app. So let it complete first, and once this is 100% complete, now you have to relaunch Xbox app. Close Xbox app and then relaunch Xbox app, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if nothing is working, you can uninstall the game, make a right click, and then you can click on uninstall over here. Uninstall. After the uninstall, restart your computer, and then you can go to your profile icon and then go to settings, go to install option, and if the game is installed to C drive, you can, if you have any other drive, you can select other drive like D drive or E drive, try to install the game to other drive and then check. If it is already installed to other drive, you can try to install the game to C drive and then launch the game. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.